welcome to 90 Ideas, where we bring you the best tips and ideas for your home and garden. Today we are focusing on the frontier landscaping real aspects of your home's grab appeal. Whether you have a small space or large lawn, these ideas will help you to create a stunning frontier. One of the simplest ways to enhance your front yard is by defining the space with borders. Use edging materials like bricks, stones, or metal to create clean lines between your lawn, flower beds, and pathways. Borders not only give the polished look but also help keep moisture and soil in the place. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends, family members. Diversity is the key when it comes of the planting. Mix and match different types of plants, including perennials, annuals, shrubs, or trees add texture and color throughout your year. Consider height of bloom time each of plant ensure continuous purely prosper. For instance, plant tall shrubs at the back of the shorter flowers at the front. Point draws the eye and make your yard look professionally designed. This could be a stunning tree or water feature like a fountain or pond or statue of the beautiful flowering shrub. Choose something that fits your style and complements the overall look of your home. Pathways and walkways. Pathways and walkways create vistas of your front door around your garden. Use materials like gravel, stones, or pavers to create charming walkway that adds both functional and style. Curved path can make your yard look more spacious and inviting. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.